Hi folks, I'm Dave Doyle. I'm the County Counsel for Deschutes County. Welcome to County College this evening. I'm looking forward to meeting with you later in the fall and hope we have a good 5 or 10 minutes together at least. Typically my presentation's pretty short. As the PowerPoint indicates, our mission is to provide full service legal advice to all county departments. As noted there at the bottom, we also provide, and I think it's an interesting little tidbit there, we provide general counsel to Deschutes 911, to the Sun River Service District and Black Butte Ranch Service District, and primarily their police department. We do that because those are county service districts, and even though they're not technically part of the mothership county, they are, their governing body is the same governing body that governs the county, that is the county commissioners. And so we provide them with that base level general service advice. Who we are, myself, a couple paralegals, 4 assistant legal counsels. Most of us have been doing this for quite some time, so we have a little bit of gray hair. Certainly I do. I'm appointed by the Board of County Commissioners along with the county administrator. We're the only 2 that are directly appointed, and so what that means is we work at the pleasure of the Board of County Commissioners. So if I come into work one day, for instance, and a majority of the board doesn't want me around, that's kind of the end of it. Fortunately, that hasn't happened. I've been county counsel here since 2014. Before that, I was county counsel for 21 years over in the Valley in Polk County. In fact, presently, I'm the longest serving county counsel in the state of Oregon. And rumor has it, if I last a couple handful of years more, I'll be the longest ever. So who's to say? Never figured that would happen when I started back in 1994, but things happen. The county legal has a lot of roles and responsibilities, and we listed a few of those for you on this particular sheet. Litigation's a noteworthy one simply because the county is self-insured, meaning we handle litigation. A lot of public entities are not self-insured. They buy first-party insurance, and when they have claims, that insurance company hires outside attorneys to handle litigation. That's not the case here. We do that in-house, which again makes us a little different than a lot of the counties. Not all of them. The larger counties typically have some level of in-house litigation. We have a vision. We do our best to maintain our reputation with our clients, with the judges, with the local bar association. We do our best to provide well-reasoned legal advice, hopefully ahead of time. Ideally, when we're engaged earlier, we can provide information that hopefully helps avoid problems on the back end. Or if it's something that just can't be helped, at least we've sort of set the table a little better for when those back end problems present themselves. One of the things I want to really note to you, the whole concept of artificial intelligence. That's going to be huge. It's becoming huge in law already. Any area, frankly, that is about knowledge and information, AI is going to be a game changer. The biggest thing I think it'll ultimately do is have impacts on the timeliness, the comprehensive completeness of some of the work we do, and frankly, the number of folks necessary to do that work. So AI is potentially going to displace some of the workforce, and there's a chance within the next 5 years we could even see that here internally. The good news is, in the interim of that, it helps us to be able to get the work done that we need to get done as the county continues to grow without having to add additional staffing. We've added 1 staff in 18 years here at County Legal, despite the county and the county departments, growing exponentially. So we're proud about that, and I think it's a function of the staff that we have here. We hire very experienced, skilled staff to work here at County Legal. It's not a training ground. We don't hire newer attorneys. You typically have, in fact, I think the least experienced attorney we've ever hired here probably had 14 years, 12 or 14 years experience when they arrived. Our attorneys, our staff are all involved in the community. We get out. You'll see us at certain events in the public. I can't imagine there's not an event here in certainly the Bend area that one, two, or all of us, some of us are there. It's we got a group that likes to get out and about. We stay up to date on legal education, continuing education. That's a requirement for practicing attorneys and paralegals, and so we stay on top of that. And I'm convinced that also helps us to be as efficient as we are. As I said, I'll be seeing you folks, I believe it's in September or October. Looking forward to that. Any questions you have at that time, I'll do my best to answer those. And thank you for your time and attention. Have a good day.